In the world, there are 87 different species of kingfisher. Kingfishers are the most famous for hunting and eating fish. The kingfisher is a family of distinctive-looking and vividly colored birds which live in the vicinity of rivers and lakes all over the world. Tropical areas like Africa, South Asia, Australia, and the rest of the Pacific appear to have the highest concentration of kingfishers. They typically have plumage in shades of green, blue, purple, reddish, or brown that is vividly colored with white or dark patches. A kingfisher must eat its own weight in fish each and every day in order to survive. Kingfishers fly low and straight like bullets, reaching up to 25 miles per hour. They scarcely move as they remain on the tree. But as soon as they spot prey, they take off rapidly and swoop down to capture it. The kingfisher may strike the prey against the perch in order to subdue it, if still alive and moving. Kingfishers also feed on snails, frogs, insects, and spiders. The type of diet is determined by the food options in the area. The rufous-backed kingfisher lives in tropical lowland forests close to lakes and rivers in India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, and Thailand. One of the smallest kingfisher species is the oriental dwarf kingfisher. The oriental dwarf kingfisher is a tropical bird that is endemic of the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. This little bird has red bill, yellow-orange underparts, and blue-black back. Pied kingfisher is a black and white species with glossy, dark bill widely distributed across Africa and Asia, many times observed in pairs or small groups. Teal woodland kingfisher is a medium-sized, electric blue-backed bird with a bicolored bill. Mostly hunt insects in dry woodland in tropical Africa south of the Sahara. Banded kingfisher male is bright blue with an orange face, while female's body is covered in an orange and black pattern like a tiger's stripes. Ruddy kingfisher is a dark rusty orange bird widely distributed in East and Southeast Asia, mostly in shaded forests and thick jungles. Javan kingfisher, sometimes called the blue-bellied kingfisher, is a large bird with dark head, blue body, and electric blue wings. He is less adapted to hunting in the water than many of his cousins and catches the majority of its prey on land or close to the water. The sacred kingfisher is a medium-sized woodland bird that lives in Australia and New Zealand's mangroves, woodlands, and river valleys. Kookaburras are terrestrial tree kingfishers native to Australia and New Guinea. Eastern Australia is home to the laughing kookaburra, which has a call that is like noisy laughter. Which one do you like the most? Tell us in the comments.